Hello, my name is Caden Thompson, and I will be answering the question, what is League of Legends Esports? Before we get into esports specifically, I would like to explain what League of Legends is. League of Legends is a 5-on-5 competitive multiplayer game. It falls into the category of a MOBA. A MOBA is a multiplayer online battle arena game. To put League of Legends simply, it is like a game of chess. Each team is given objectives that they need to protect. In chess, it's your king, and in League, it's your nexus. Like chess, League of Legends is a game of strategy and good decision making. Although in chess, two players are controlling an entire team, League of Legends is a contrast to that, where 5 people all control their own characters with unique abilities, but the same goal, winning the game. To reach the enemy nexus, you must first defeat what lies in front of that. What lies in front of that is the other team and turrets, which are defensive structures that must be destroyed to get to the other team's nexus, kind of like pawns in a game of chess. For a team to gain an advantage, they must have acquired more gold, which can be done through farming, that's last hitting minions, destroying turrets, and taking down the other team's players. In League of Legends, advantages are everything. The gold you receive can be used to buy items which grant statistical benefits in the game. I took the time to describe what League of Legends is about, so anyone, even somebody who doesn't play the game, could enjoy watching the best in the world play it. League of Legends has a system that tells you by playing ranked games what rank you belong in. There are 7 levels in the ranked system, ranging from bronze to challenger, and only the top of the 100 million monthly players will make it to the esports scene. So now that I've described what League is to you, what makes League of Legends esports so entertaining to watch? First, the League of Legends shoutcasters. The League of Legends shoutcasters convey all of their emotion in their speech as something incredible is happening in the game. Here's an example where the enemy team made an incredible play that brought them back into the game after being the clear underdogs.
3v4, Immortals forced to run away, but Fnatic, they want this one. The chase forward on Bubble, they're not quite the blade color range, and just barely missing onto that miasma. There's still more to be done. They look for the kill. Reckless gonna come in, and Brock's getting the kill credit on that one. And the flash bar coming in. The insect, but betrays his teammate, and it's gonna be the ace for Fnatic.
Cody's son loses his mind by flashing into an entire team at the end.
If you haven't played League of Legends, you might not know what happened there, but it's easy to get excited about it with the shoutcasters conveying so much emotion. Second, the stakes are high. In 2016, the World's Championship prize pool was $5 million. In 2017, it was the same. All of that $5 million goes to the winning team, making it incredibly competitive for every team in it, and the game incredibly interesting for the viewers. The next fact to consider when questioning why League of Legends esports is so big is their format. League of Legends has multiple different servers around the world, and each one has multiple professional teams. Only the top teams from each region will continue to fight in the World Championships. This format drives competitiveness. Many fans would like to see their region be triumphant over others. Number 4. League of Legends maintains its interest in gaps between competitive seasons with consistent, high-quality content. For example, Riot Games, the owner of League of Legends, puts out animated shorts year-round with content based around its competitive scene. Every year, League of Legends hires a high-profile musical artist to create a song for Worlds. In 2014, the song Warriors by Imagine Dragons was released for League of Legends. Here's an example from this year's Worlds music video. The final point I would like to make is about League of Legends owner Riot Games. Riot Games is very dedicated to its game. League of Legends is the sole game of the company, and though they could probably earn money by branching off and selling more games, they have stuck to one game with the ideology of it being free to play and constantly updated to maintain its relevancy. These points, coupled with what I've said earlier, all sums together and contributes largely to why Riot Games is such a success. It will likely remain on the top of the gaming industry for a long time, and many sponsors will continue to endorse the game because of its large viewership. I hope you have been able to learn something about League of Legends. My name is Caden Thompson, and thank you for watching.